Dear friend, let me ask you, are you someone who gets distracted quite easily and want to overcome distraction? They say that distraction is a sign of dysfunction. Whenever you get distracted, please understand that you're not functioning fully or efficiently. One of my favorite hobbies is reading, and I love reading. I have a collection of more than 2,000 books which I've read over the last 25 years of my life. And this is a wonderful book which I read, written by Nir Eyal. He is the one who wrote the million-copy bestseller called Hooked. And this is another book which is fascinating, which talks purely about distraction and how to overcome it. This book is called Indistractable. Indistractable. So I'm going to share with you 3 powerful elements from this book which I have learned, which will help you also overcome distraction. The first one is called as effort pacts. EFFORT pact. Second is called as price pacts. PACTS. The third one is called as identity pacts. Now, what is effort pacts? 2 psychologists, they did an experiment to stop munching snacks during the night. So they identified a glass container where they keep their snacks, including biscuits, or if it's in India, we've got namkeen and chips. And they put an automatic timer to lock it and an automatic timer to open it. Now, you may wonder, how is this going to help? They can go to the shop and still buy the snacks and eat it, which can be a distraction. Or they have to break this box to eat the snacks. But what they observed is, after a span of 30 days, they observed that their snack munching has reduced by 90% in just 30 days. So when you put in an extra effort as a measure to do the task, that stops you from being distracted.